So in iOS 26, you can actually pin songs and albums to the top of your Apple Music application so that you can see them anytime, right? So for instance, you can go and pick a favorite song. So for instance, I can go to this album and pick out this song, for instance. So what you need to do is simply tap on the three dot button of that song, and then you should see the option pin song. So tap on that, and that song is gonna get pinned to the home page of your Apple Music application. So if you go to the top of that page, let me just close this. Actually, it's not in the home page, it's actually in the library. So if you go to your library, at the top there, you can see this is a song I pinned, and this is the album I've just pinned. Now let's try and find another album. So I'm just gonna go and find a random album like this one, Trouble by Akon. Long press on that album and then select pin album. And that album should get pinned to my library. So let's go to my library, and you can see the album is always going to be pinned up there. So that is basically how to pin songs and albums in Apple Music. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.